So here we go. I will make an updated video on this place. This is the Cavco Phoenix. This is on 2 acres of land. The house is in about the middle. The property goes to that pine tree over there. So probably 200 feet that way. And then it goes to that green box that way. A lot of times when you're placing mobile homes on lots, you have to kind of go where the septic is. And I don't know, I like the placement of this. I like the big front yard and the big backyard. So let's give a little tour around. So basically what I'm lacking on this before I can put it on the market, I am waiting for the electrical to get hooked up. The electric company has been a pain in the butt. They're just a pain in the butt. That's all it is to it. Like, they're trouble. So I need the electric on. As soon as the electric gets on, they can dig the line from the well. And the line from the well goes from right here to that blue tank. Anybody want to take a guess how many feet that is? 211 feet. I'm going to have to go around, swing around a little bit of the drain field. If you look here, you can see the drain field for the septic. So you have 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4 for the bedroom. You have the septic tank there. You have the back of the house. On my next one that I do, the only thing I'll do differently on the house is I will put the sliding door on them. I recently seen one with a sliding glass door, and I liked it better than mine. So on my next one, I will do it. It adds $1,100, I think. But, like, I think it's money well spent. Walk back to the back of the property. Yes. I have not finished painting the shed. We have been freezing here. It was freezing, and I just did not feel like doing it. I recently bought a sprayer, so no more rolling. I've almost got this done. There's a little bit more painting, a little bit of painting and caulk. It'll be done. Walk back here to the tank. You can see my mailbox post I've got painted back there. Plan on putting that in. This is a deep well. So the tank, the pump is actually down in the ground. It's several hundred feet down that line right there. And you hook it up. You can cover these up, but as long as this box stays on, they'll last for years outside. But I will probably get a cover. Here it is from the back. This is a huge lot. You're going to be able to do a lot of stuff with it. If I walk to the back edge of the property, you can see here. And then kind of looking. When I'm over here, I can definitely tell it is bigger than my other property. But the other property with the trees and the fence, I don't know. If I had to pick one to live at, I would probably pick the other one. Me and my wife was actually talking about this the other day, and me and her both actually said we would pick the other one. But I can see how a lot of people would prefer to live in this one. See the shed, tiny house. I need to straighten this out. This is running parallel here, not with that house. I want it to run parallel with the trailer. So I'm going to jack it up, slide it over, push it where it's running parallel to that. I don't know if I have this locked up or not. No, my paint. Brushes are done for because I've let them sit up. Post hole diggers inside the shed. Bada bing, bada boom. Got my paint. Let's go take a quick tour of the house. I'm meeting my real estate agent over here. It's an exciting day to, she will probably be able to get a good figure of how much this place is going to be. One thing I need to check out is, recess frame. I think I see the deal now. It's definitely a learning curve doing this. So, how is this on here? So, this is the same. I got one of them that's got a recessed frame and the other one that's not. And I don't know what's what. I'm going to have to see exactly. Yeah. Kind of rambling. Just kind of figuring stuff up in my head. One thing I did notice is, see if anybody can be astute here. These steps are twisted. They're twisted. You can look over there, even. Look over there. That's off an inch. But, oh well. All right, let's open this baby up. Let's look inside. All right, it should be the first key. Should be. Bada bing, bada boom. Y'all already seen the inside, but it's 100% done. Cavco Phoenix. So when you buy the Cavco Phoenix, you get stainless steel Whirlpool dishwasher. You get the blackened stainless stove. And then you get the stainless steel fridge. I do not think this fridge is a Whirlpool. Could be wrong. Have the cabinets here. Have the island. Have the double living room. The flex space. This is a huge place. Like, this is bigger than the house I live in. So it's like, place is cool. Place is cool. This full bedroom, I was surprised how big it is. It is probably 12 by 16. Yeah, because that's a half. So this is generally the size of a master bedroom in these houses. Every bedroom has walk-in closets, which I thought was really cool. You have the Jack and Jill rooms. Bada bing, bada boom. So, literally have everything. Let's walk to the master. If you're interested in a mobile home, definitely look at the Cavco Phoenix. There are some fancier ones out there, but for the money, you cannot beat the Cavco Phoenix. Just can't beat it. Master bedroom. Double sink, ceramic, garden tub, big shower. You got your toilet, you got your big closet. Guys, if you women fill up this closet, you're gonna be broke. You got the shed in back. Everybody who's watching, like, subscribe, post more channels. I'm trying to get my subscribers up. I want that 500. Not really for money, because I don't really do this for money. I just do it for fun. But it's fun to like document my life and different stuff. Here comes the boss. What is my daughter doing? What is she doing? She sees I'm filming. She's walking. All right, guys. Till next time.